Hey everybody, in lieu of my other plans today that kind of got ruined from weather, I decided that I was going to make a drill press table, first one I've ever made, so hopefully it works out and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so this is going to be the base of the drill press table. This is a piece of 1/2 inch hardwood plywood, maple plywood scrap that I just had laying around, I think from an old end table project. And then I found this piece of pine that's straight on this edge, but obviously was used for something else. I actually think this came from the property here. I'm just going to mark them to the right width, and then that'll be that. And there you have it. A very, 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 very simple drill press table. I was doing this today in preparation for a larger project that I'm going to be working on all day tomorrow, and I really needed something that was stable, that I could just and repeatedly drill through a lot of holes all in a row. And unfortunately, the paint did not come out as good as I wanted. I didn't get the tape tied up against the fence as I expected, but unfortunately the temperature is just not going to get any warmer. It's still a little tacky, and so this is it. This is the best it's going to get. Just like my crosscut sled for the table saw, I'm going to come back to this probably in 3 or 4 days. The temperature's supposed to get up in the 60s again, and I'm going to lightly sand it, spray it again, and then put some clear coat on it so that really it has a nice finish on it and it lasts for as long as I need it. I don't think I'm going to drill out a center hole just yet. I am going to I put a center line mark on it just now, but I'm not going to really drill some holes or make any permanent marks on it until I actually start my project tomorrow, because that might need some specific hole and through holes in this. So I hope you enjoyed it. It was really simple. I made it out of the scraps that I had, as is the case with everything I'm making lately. Stay safe, stay well, stay hopeful. We're going to get through this. Thanks for watching.